HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is a markup language used to structure content on the web. It consists of a series of elements that define the structure and semantics of our web page. An HTML document is made up of tags, which are enclosed in angle brackets and come in pairs, opening tags and closing tags. The basic structure of an HTML document starts with the doc type declaration, which specifies the version of HTML being used. It is followed by the root element, which contains all other elements. Inside the element, there are two main sections, the head and the body. The element contains meta information about the document, such as the page title, character encoding, and linked style sheets or scripts. It does not directly affect the visible content of the page. The element is where the visible content of the web page resides. It contains various elements that define headings, paragraphs, images, links, lists, tables, forms, and more. These elements help structure and present the content to the user. HTML elements have specific tags that define their purpose and behavior. For example, H1 to H6 tags are used to define headings of different levels, with H1 being the highest and H2 being the lowest. Paragraphs are represented by the tag. Tags can also have attributes, which provide additional information about the element. Attributes are added to the opening tag and typically consist of a name and a value. For example, the image tag has attributes like src, specifying the image URL, and alt, providing alternative text for accessibility. Elements can be nested within each other, creating a hierarchical structure. For example, a div element can contain multiple other elements like headings, paragraphs, and images, allowing for flexible content organization. Links are an essential part of HTML. The tag is used to create hyperlinks, with the href attribute specifying the URL destination. Users can click on these links to navigate to other web pages, sections within the same page, or trigger actions like downloading files. Lists can be created using ordered, OL, and or unordered, UL, lists. List items are represented by the li tags. Tables are created using the table tag, with rows defined by tr and cells by td. Forms, which allow user input, are constructed using various input elements like input, text area, and select. CSS, cascading style sheets, is often used in conjunction with HTML to define the presentation and layout of the content. CSS styles can be applied inline using the style attribute, within the head section using the style tag, or in an external style sheet linked from the HTML document. HTML provides a rich set of elements and attributes that enable the creation of interactive and visually appealing web pages. It forms the foundation for building web applications, online documents, and multimedia-rich websites.